Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss about how much TCS is going to pay you if you're going to switch as an experienced hire with around 1.5 to 1.8 years of experience. So as you all know that when TCS comes to hire at your college for freshers, they hire for the TCS Ninja profile. So that is I guess around 3.5 to 3.6 LPA which you get. So that is the base salary which you get, and then uh, after that there are certain assessments which you have, like this CPA assessment, and based on that how much you complete, based on that you get a certain bonus which you are going to get once you join the company. So within 2 months of joining the company you are going to get the bonus. So it is around 60,000, 80,000, something like that, the bonus you get based on the how much percentage you have completed of that CPA. So this is a TCS Ninja, and when you get your salary, you get around, the in hand comes, after deduction of PF, gratuity, and all these things, profession tax, etc. So the in hand comes around 22 to 23,000 for 3.5 LPA. Now you also know that TCS hires for another profile, that is the digital profile. So that is something different, and that is for 7.5 LPA or 7 LPA is around that thing. So that is a different thing. So I'm going to talk about the Ninja profiles. Okay. So once you join the company, you have got 3.5 LPA. So you join in the grade of Assistant System Engineer or ASE. Now after completion of 1 year, you get promoted to AC, that is a System Engineer, and you get around 8 to 10% hike based on your ratings. So that is a very standard in almost all IT major companies, whether it is TCS, whether it is Infosys, Wipro, any IT companies. So that is the average hike which you are going to get as a fresher. So that was about what happens when you join the company as a fresher. But when you are joining as an experience, so with 1.8 years of experience, I have attached this photo which you can see how much the company is providing. So as you can see, they're providing around 5.5 LPA with 1.8 years of experience. So how much you get depends on your negotiation skills. So approximately any IT companies, not only TCS, any IT companies with 1.5 to 1.8 years of experience will generally give you around 5 to 6.5 LPA in this range. Now again, it depends upon your negotiation skills, and obviously it depends on how well your interview had gone, but it is also part of your negotiation skills whether you get a lower amount or you get a higher amount. So this is 5.5 LPA, and the breakdown as you can see over here. So these are the things, and in TCS you have two things, that is the monthly performance pay and the performance bonus. So this performance bonus is the variable pay which you get after the end of each quarter depending upon your company's results. And this monthly performance pay is actually a fixed component which is paid with your salary every month. So the monthly performance pay is not a variable salary, and you get the entire amount. So this is the breakdown of for 5.5 LPA. And those who are sitting for TCS interviews and we have around this much years of experience, so I hope this this photo will be helpful to you and may help you to decide to plan better on your opportunities. So now let me talk about this salary breakdown in a bit details. So the first component is the basic pay. So this part is something which you are going to get, whether with your salary you are going to get your basic pay with every month. So this is the first part of their salary. Next comes the HRA, that is the house rent allowance. So this allowance again is mentioned in the offer letter how much you are going to get. And then comes the leave travel allowance. Again, this is also a fixed amount which you are going to get, and you are going to get both this allowance as part of your salary unless you claim it and otherwise. Next are the two performance based pays. So I have already told you that the monthly performance pay you are going to get it depending on your project and all, and the second one is the quarterly the quarterly payout which you are going to get based on the company's performance. Other than that, you have the food card. So as you have seen, you have paid around 500 rupees for the food card, and you also have something called the city allowance. Now based on which city you are working from, so whether it is a tier 1 city or whether it is a tier 2 city, based on that you are going to get a fixed amount. And finally there is the personal allowance. Again, these are all just allowances, So there's something to do with the tax and all, which I don't understand. But these are the allowances basically from which you are going to get as part of your salary, enhanced salary every month. And other than this, you have the annual components like the health insurance, like the provident fund, gratuity. So this you are not going to get in hand every month. This is basically kind of an investment, which I can say that. So like the company is investing all this for you, and it is paying a fixed amount. So this is part of your total CTC, but not the in hand which you get. But yes, I've anyway showed you the entire salary structure, the picture, and I hope that you have understood that how much you can expect with around 1.8 years of experience at the company. So if you have any further doubts, you may definitely mention it in the comment box below, and if I have knowledge about that doubt, I'll definitely answer you and clear out your queries. So anyway, thank you guys very much for watching this video. Hope you have find it informative, and do keep watching my videos, support me and like my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.